So if you want to check your Samsung's phone processor model, however you cannot find it anywhere, well, it's not a problem, follow the simple step. So to do this, we have to install some third-party apps. Open up your Play Store, at the bottom find your search tab, press at your search bar. Alright, here we gotta search for device info or CPU-C. Those are free applications that provide the detailed hardware information. So let's install CPU-C. Choose it. So choose any of them, right? For example, let's choose this one, press install and give it a couple seconds to be installed. Alright, now let's press open. Give necessary permissions, press consent. Now tap on CPU or system, and here let's tap on CPU. Here we can find our processor model. Here it is. So if it says Qualcomm or QCOM, it means that your phone has a Snapdragon processor. If it says Samsung Equinox, it means that your phone is powered by an Equinox chip. If app doesn't load correctly, simply try closing it up or reloading it. So might work correctly, however, let's try it again. So actually we can find it even on the main tab. So here is our CPU and here is our Snapdragon 8 model. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.